Alright, today I'm going to show you how to turn on repair mode on the 7880 and the 7900. Alright, so first what you do is turn your printer off. Make sure your printer is off. And then from there, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the down button, the menu button, down button, menu button, and OK button. You're going to hold these three, then go ahead and push power on. Keep holding. Okay. Now we're in repair mode. So now when we go into cleaning, we'll have a new set of options. Alright. So same thing with maintenance. You can also go ahead and do all of this, as well as doing tests, see error history, all of that. Live. Parameters, you can go ahead and update all of this. So this allows you to go to repair mode, man. You guys just let it do what it do.